Milwaukee Modular Pipeline Inspection System, delivering the clearest image, easiest inspections. Featuring HDR self-leveling camera heads, the Modular Pipeline Inspection System provides the industry's best image quality inside of drain lines with up to 4 times digital zoom and pan for better focus around the point of interest. Powered by an M18 red lithium battery, the M18 500GB control hub powers the reels, stores recordings, and easily swaps between reel sizes, delivering unmatched system versatility. Milwaukee pipeline inspection reels are available in a variety of durable push cable stiffness and lengths, spanning small to large pipes, allowing technicians the ability to choose the right reel for the job. Milwaukee push cables offer the best balance of stiffness and flexibility. More flexible cables easily navigate multiple tight turns, while stiffer cables are designed to push long distances with fewer turns. Wireless connectivity to a mobile device or the M18 wireless monitor allows you to take the results where you need them. An internal backup battery allows you to hot swap M18 batteries during live inspections without losing the recording. With the ability to instantly edit recordings, you can now trim video and add or remove audio from recordings, allowing you to instantly share only what you need right from your viewing device. Download high-resolution findings to USB, save to a mobile device for faster sharing, or simply organize jobs in one easy-access location. The Milwaukee Modular Pipeline Inspection System provides the clearest image, easiest inspections.
If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.